Welcome to AI Lifehacks, a series of short, fun videos that show you how to save time and streamline your busy home and work life using free artificial intelligence tools. What's for dinner? A question that so many of us dread. The huge mental load of dealing with fussy eaters, rising food costs, and a general lack of time and imagination can make planning dinner every night super stressful. So today, we're going to use AI to hack this issue. I'm going to offer two quick solutions. One is to solve tonight's dinner problem right now, and another option is to help you with the whole process of meal planning, grocery shopping, and food costs. So let's start with hack number one. Let's solve the problem right now. Head to the website letsfoodie.com. Next, open your fridge and take a look at what's in there, and add the ingredients that you are in the mood for in the AI recipe generator. Let's see, I have some cream, milk, salmon, pasta, broccoli, sweet potato, cos lettuce, and onion. Next, click on Generate My Recipe. And there you have it, a recipe for creamy salmon and veggie pasta with all of the details I need to cook up this yummy sounding meal using the ingredients I know I have. Okay, so that's one solution. Now let's implement a hack to help you with your whole week. Open up your favorite free generative AI tool. That could be Chat-GPT, Claude, or Copilot, for example. Next, type in these instructions or this prompt. Act like a professional chef and a budget-savvy shopper. Help me to come up with tasty, family-friendly, and nutritionally balanced recipes for my family of 4, which consists of 2 adults and 2 children aged 6 and 8. Budget is of importance, so prioritize ingredients that are in season in New Zealand in August. Time is also important, so generate recipes that are quick to cook, ideally less than 30 minutes per recipe, and I like to use leftovers for lunch, so create enough quantity that there is enough for 2 extra adult lunch portions as part of each meal you suggest. As the weather is cold, hot comforter meals like spaghetti bolognese and casseroles would make for good suggestions. Also, my husband does not like beetroot. Please ensure that beetroot is not included in any of the recipes. Generate these recipes in a format that I can easily print out. Also, provide an organized shopping list of ingredients that I will need from the supermarket to make these meals for the week. You can see that I'm using my reset method for the prompt, or the instructions. The role was professional chef. Expectation was to prioritize low budget and seasonal ingredients. Specifics were that my husband does not like beetroot. Action was to generate a meal plan and grocery list. Press enter and voila, there it is, a full list of meals and recipes to follow. Spaghetti bolognese, chicken and vegetable stir fry, beef and vegetable casserole, fish tacos, and vegetable fried rice. Sounds yummy. And next there is a grocery list that's sorted by department, making it easy to find everything at the supermarket. If there's a meal in there that you don't like, just ask for it to be changed and keep tweaking until you are happy. I can see that my prompt wasn't specific enough, and when I said create enough recipes for a week, I meant 7 days, but the AI system presented 5 days, or a work week. So I'm just going to add a tweak to correct for that. Can you also create 2 meals for Saturday and Sunday and add them to the above list, please? And there we go, sausage and bean casserole and chicken Alfredo pasta have been added, plus a new shopping list to include everything I need for 7 days of meals. With these free AI tools, meal planning and grocery shopping become a breeze. They're a great way to discover new recipes while giving your brain some free time to relax. Remember, AI isn't perfect, but by experimenting with it in different scenarios, you're learning about what it can do and what it can't do well, empowering you to continue to hack your life with AI.